Hey guys, it's Elliot, and today in this video I will be showing you how to lube your stabilizers without disassembling your keyboard. This is super easy and should make your stabilizers rattle less, feel better, and sound better. So without further ado, let's just get into the rest of the video. So the things you will need to do this are some dielectric grease or whatever lube you're going to be using, a keyboard, something to apply the lube, some flush cutters or tweezers or whatever, and a paper towel. The first thing you're going to do is remove all of the keycaps with stabilizers under them, as well as removing the surrounding keycaps to make lubing easier. I would recommend the keycap blower for this, but I did not use one and it worked fine. So to actually lube them, you're going to take your tweezers and bring up the stabilizer, and then take your lube on your applicator and kind of move it around in there. Try to hit all of the key contact points. Obviously do it better than I was in this video. I couldn't really see, so just be better than me, I guess. The next step is going to be kind of cleaning up the case with a paper towel, because you might have some excess lube on there that is unwanted. So next thing you're going to do is just apply all of your keycaps once more.